Assalamu alaikum everybody. So today I'm making a delicious and very simple mango dessert. For this recipe you're going to need the ingredients on the screen. You're going to start by placing the biscuits in a Ziploc bag and beat it with a meat mallet or a rolling pin to break up the biscuits into smaller bits. Afterwards, pour 2 cups of heavy whipping cream into a large bowl and start whisking it. The cream should thicken up, and every time you lift the whisk, it should form stiff peaks. At this point, add half a cup of sweetened and condensed milk. Mix this very well. Then add 4 cups of mango pulp and mix until homogeneous. All that's left to do is to assemble our final product. So grab yourselves a large casserole, add in the crushed biscuits, followed by our creamy mango mixture. Cut the jelly into cubes as shown, and decorate as shown. Leave this in the fridge for maximum 6 hours. During this time it will firm up. So this is what the final product looks like. I hope you learned something and I hope that you will make it as well. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. This is it from me. Well done. Allah Hafiz.